Now, Times Now has spoken to the Karnataka Home Minister, who has spoken about Suraj Revanna's arrest, saying he was arrested after an FIR was filed against him, and there's proof against him as well. This is after Suraj Revanna had claimed that this is a political conspiracy. Listen in.
We're being joined by the Karnataka Home Minister, Dr. G. Parameshwara, right now. Sir, first of all, I have to ask you, Sunday shocker, Suraj Revanna there being arrested on a case of harassment. While leaders in the JDS have termed this political, Mr. Revanna, his father, says that we all know what's happening in Karnataka. Let the law of the land follow. Kumaraswamy has distanced himself from it. Suraj Revanna himself says this is political conspiracy. As the Home Minister, how do you view this?
No, they are right in saying that law should take its own course of action. That is exactly what we are doing. Somebody gives us, complaint to a police station. What do you expect? You register a complaint, register an FIR, and once a FIR registered, that is the minimum thing a police station and SHO is doing. And after that, they look for evidences. And if there are evidences, and definitely they act according to the law. And the law says somebody is involved in some criminal activity, and if somebody gives a complaint, and definitely they have to, arrest and, complete the inquiry and submit it to the court, and court will take a decision. That is exactly the procedure which our department is following. There is absolutely no political conspiracy involved. I don't know. I don't think as a Home Minister I would say that there is some political angle to it. I don't think there is any political angle. Nobody expected XYZ to give a complaint. And now the investigation will start. And we have already indicated that this case also will go to the CID. It's not going to be inquired or investigated by the local police. We are going to hand it over to CID.
Sir, all those who have come under the lens from the Revanna family, whether it's been Prajwal in the past or Suraj Revanna now or HT Revanna, have all said that, this is an attempt to finish off the family and we know what's really happening. How are you viewing this, sir?
I don't think so. As far as I'm concerned, I don't see any conspiracy theory in this. I don't see any political theory in this. It just happened because it has happened, and there is a law to look into this. That's all. Beyond this, I don't see anything.
Okay. Sir, in the district of Hassan, we've always seen the kind of clout that the family here has enjoyed. Sir, the victim in this case has chosen to come to Bangalore to get the medical test done. We're being told that this is primarily because there's no trust in the administration in Hassan or the hospitals in Hassan, sir. How are you seeing this, sir?
It is not like that. See, to try the elected representative, there is a special court here. And these courts are not in the district level. They are only it is in Bangalore. So he has to be brought to Bangalore because he is presently the member of the Legislative Council. And they have to bring him to that court. And that is why, while bringing to the court in Bangalore, might as well do the tests here rather than in Hassan. And that is what, the police has taken a decision.
So the Karnataka Home Minister saying a complaint had been filed against Suraj Revanna by a party worker. Based on the complaint, an FIR had been registered, based on which the arrest has taken place. Now, after he was arrested, Suraj Revanna claimed that this was a political conspiracy, and G. Parameshwara, the Karnataka Home Minister, saying this is due process being followed. My colleague Neha Ebale, who spoke to the Home Minister, joining us live on the broadcast. Neha, the Home Minister saying this is due procedure. A case has been registered against him. In fact, Times Now has also accessed the FIR in the case. Take us through the details.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. In fact, shortly after Suraj Revanna's arrest there, we're seeing the matter turning political. Now, we're being told that HT Revanna, father of Suraj Revanna, reportedly, has, of course, commented on this matter and even said that, we all know what's happening in the state, and the fact is that, this is nothing but political and the law of the land should prevail. Of course, this was unexpected lines here because we're seeing that, each time a politically, in fact, each time a political representative is arrested. We see the manner in which the issue turns highly political in this case as well. As Suraj Revanna's arrest has come there, the Karnataka Home Minister denying any political links to this, saying that it's merely the law of the land that's following its course. Of course, remember the case has also now been transferred to the CID, and this of course comes at a very crucial juncture here before, any questions could have been raised about whether there was, malice in the investigation, whether this was nothing but political vendetta. The case now being transferred to the CID, of course, the FIR that was already registered by the Hassan police. We'll really have to wait and see how this pans out.